Hey, amazing teachers! Let's be honest. We have all had that moment where you teach the verb ba, here she goes, repeat it 342 times, and your students still think it means taco. So here's what I do. Every time they hear ba, they jump. Just a little hop. No triple axels required. Suddenly, their ears are tuned, their bodies are involved, and ba magically turns into acquisition. And yes, it's also cardio, so you're basically promoting wellness. Try it tomorrow. Pick one high frequency verb like come, eats. Every time you say it in a sentence, the class pats their stomachs. Brune come tacos, pat. Su madre come enchiladas, pat. El gato no come verduras, pat, pat. It's fast, it's funny, and it's memory glue. Want to go next level? Let them choose the motion. Just be warned, dabbing might make a comeback. Use at your own risk. Pro tip, it doesn't have to be physical chaos. Keep it consistent and low stress. The movement anchors the meaning, and the repetition cements it. And if you want to know whether you're a CI ninja in training or already verb whispering legend, take the CI proficiency quiz at mm.us/CI quiz. It's fast, free, and will not ask you to jump at all. Happy comprehensible input.